Welcome to Luxury Real Estate Sales Unveiled 2024. Get ready to dive into the world of exclusive properties and top-notch amenities. In 2024, high-tech smart homes are leading the trend. From automated lighting to state-of-the-art security systems, these homes redefine convenience and luxury. Affluent buyers prioritize properties with breathtaking views. Be it oceans, mountains, or cityscapes, the view significantly enhances the property's allure. Private amenities are a must. From indoor pools to personal gyms, these features offer unparalleled comfort and exclusivity for the elite. Privacy is paramount. Gated communities and expansive estates provide the seclusion and peace that affluent buyers seek in their dream homes. Wellness-focused homes are on the rise. Features like home spas, meditation rooms, and wellness centers cater to the health-conscious elite. Join us for a closer look into the most exclusive properties of 2024. Stay tuned for more luxury real estate insights.